Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I'll be making sweet and sour rainbow carrot coleslaw. As you can see from what I'm doing, I'm trying to peel all the vegetables that I'm going to use for this coleslaw. I'm peeling the purple rainbow carrot. That's the purple one. Guys, this carrot is so juicy, it's so delicious. If you've not tried it, give it a go. I think they have it in different stores here in UK. It's so nice. So I'm cutting the carrots. As you can see, the colors are beautiful and vibrant. So I'm using the food processor at this time to cut the carrots. So I'll be cutting the cabbage now. As you can see, I'm trying my best to make sure I get the finest. I'm trying to shred it to the thinnest I can have, because that's what I want at the moment. The vegetables are already, so I'll be moving over now to the dressing. So in this dressing I'll be making it a little bit of sweet and sour. I'll be adding my soy sauce, the light one. So I'll be adding just 1.5 spoon of soy sauce. I'll be adding my apple cider vinegar, just to give it that extra kick, because I really wanted it sour. I'll add 1.5 spoons. I'll also add my ginger powder, as you can see. The next thing I'll be adding is my honey. I have 2 spoons of honey. So I'll add it in the bowl to give you that sweetness. As you can see, this is all about sweet and sour. So I wanted that bit of sweetness in it, so that's why I'm adding the honey. This is optional. You can add your sugar if you're someone that likes using sugar. Sugar is also okay at this point. So I will add my olives, as you can see, and I will also add my mayo. Yes, this is the light one. I'm not using the full mayonnaise. It's just the light one I'm using. So I'll also add my lemon. Guys, you have to like roll your lemon to get all the juice out, but I'm going to use half of the lemon. So I'll press it in my palms to catch the seeds, because I don't want the seeds to fall inside the mixture. So after that, I'll be mixing everything together, give it a good mix. I'll be adding all my vegetables that has been cut. This is the cabbage now, so I'll add the carrots and also give it a good mix. The coleslaw is ready. As you can see, it looks really good, so yummy. It tastes so nice and it's so creamy. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying with me. I appreciate every one of you. If peradventure today is your first time coming across my content, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. I'll see you again in my next video.